Hello students, today again we are continuing the chapter quadrilateral and we are starting with sufficient conditions for a quadrilateral to be a parallelogram. There are four or five conditions sufficient for being a parallelogram. We will look proof of one of these and rest आप ट्राई करेंगे एक बार. Sufficient condition for a quadrilateral to be a parallelogram. Now, first condition, a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Second one, a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its opposite angles are equal. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its opposite angles are. The third condition is if diagonal of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then quadrilateral is a parallelogram. If diagonal of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. Then quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Fourth condition, a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if the pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal in length. This is very important one. हम इसको यूज करेंगे आगे थ्योरम में मिडपॉइंट सफिशिएंट क्राइटेरिया को. क्राइटेरिया क्या है? A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if one pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal in length. Now, students को ये याद रखना चाहिए कि there is a difference between the properties and the definition. अगर कोई quadrilateral पैरेललोग्राम है तो पैरेललोग्राम की डेफिनेशन क्या है? अगर कोई पैरेललोग्राम की डेफिनेशन पूछता है a quadrilateral in which both pair of opposite side is parallel, ये डेफिनेशन, and remaining opposite angles are equal, opposite sides are equal, diagonal bisect each other, diagonal divide the parallelogram into two congruent triangles, ये सब प्रॉपर्टीज. नाउ अभी हम यहाँ पर फोर हमने देखा, फोर सफिशिएंट क्राइटेरिया देखे फॉर बीइंग अ पैरेललोग्राम. तो ये सफिशिएंट क्राइटेरिया मतलब हम किसी भी एक स्टेटमेंट को लेकर प्रूव करते हैं और हमें प्रूव करना है कि फॉर एग्जांपल लेट अस टेक एग्जांपल स्टेटमेंट नंबर 3, this one. Let us rewrite the statement. Prove that if diagonal of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Now we need to prove. We are given that quadrilateral है जिसके diagonal bisect कर रहे हैं each other. हमें प्रूव करना है कि वो पैरेललोग्राम है. अब पैरेललोग्राम प्रूव करने के लिए उसके साइड्स को पैरेलल बनाना है. Okay, so let us start with the given things. Given what we are given? We are given a quadrilateral ABCD in which diagonals AC and BD bisect each other. This one we are given. Let us draw the diagram. This one is A, B, C and D. And diagonals diagonal AC and diagonal BD intersect कर रहे हैं. Let's assume a point O. क्वेश्चन में गिवन है कि बाइसेक्ट each other. बाइसेक्ट मीन्स BD के टू पार्ट्स हैं OD and OB both are equal in length and CD के AC के टू पार्ट्स हैं OA and OC, they are equal in length. This one we are given. So what we are given? Given a quadrilateral ABCD in which diagonals AC and BD bisect each other, that is OA equals to OC and OB equals to OD. This one we are given. Now no need to construction in this question. We can start with let us first write what we need to prove. We need to prove ABCD is a parallelogram. That is, we need to prove AB is parallel to CD. That is, AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD. Now, proof. How can we start? We can start with the triangle AOB and triangle COD. Why we are starting with these two triangles? Because we are given two sides equal to the corresponding two sides of the another triangle. So, in triangle AOB and triangle COD, we have in triangle AOB and COD we have what we have? We have OA, one side of triangle AOB is equals to OC, another side of the one side of the another triangle. And the reason behind? The reason behind is it is given in the question. Given. Another one. OB, one side of triangle AOB is equals to OD, one side of the triangle COD. The reason is same. It is also given. Now we need three parts. Two parts are given equal, but to prove congruent we need three parts. So the rest part is angle AOB is equals to angle COD. Why they are equal? They are vertically opposite angle. That's why they are equal. So this implies triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by which criteria? By A, sorry, SAS, by SAS congruency, both triangle are congruent. Now, once we prove triangle congruent, then we can say by simplicity this angle OCD is equals to this angle OAB. Then we can write this implies angle OCD is equals to angle OAD by CT. Now we can see that these angles are alternate angles. So these angles are alternate and equal. So अगर ये इक्वल है और अल्टरनेट एंगल है, so AB should be parallel to CD. AB should be parallel to CD. Now we can write similarly we can prove triangle BOC is congruent to triangle BOC is congruent to triangle DOA. BOC is congruent to triangle DOA, and which give us BC is parallel to AD. So what we have in quadrilateral ABCD, one pair of opposite side is parallel there, another pair is opposite side parallel there, so it is a parallelogram. In quadrilateral ABCD, both pair of opposite sides are parallel. So ABCD is a parallelogram. One more important step is remaining. Now this is one of the proof of the statement sufficient condition. Same बाकी statement में भी a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its opposite sides are equal. इनका यूज करके ट्रायंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट करना है. ट्रायंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट करने के बाद लाइंस को पैरेलल बताना है. लाइंस को पैरेलल बताने के लिए आप करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल इक्वल बताइए, अल्टरनेट एंगल इक्वल बताइए, then it will be a parallelogram. So let us move on some questions, some important proofs. Let us take example number 1. In a parallelogram, the bisector of any two consecutive angle intersect at 90 degree. What we are given? We are given a parallelogram first of all. ABCD. You can write the given thing. Given a parallelogram ABCD And also we are given the bisector of any two consecutive angles. Let us take any A bisector of angle A. Let us take this is angle bisector of angle A and angle bisector of angle B. Let us assume they are intersecting at point O. So a parallelogram ABCD in which bisector of angle A and angle B intersect at point O. A parallelogram ABCD in which bisectors of angle A and angle B intersect at point O. This thing we are given. Now to prove what we have to prove, we have to prove that they are intersecting at 90 degree, means angle AOB is equals to 90 degree. This one we have to prove. No need to construction. We can start proof. Angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 degree. The reason co-interior angles finds are 180 degree always. Now let us mark here angle 1 and angle 1, angle 2 and angle 2. We can write angle A is equals to twice of angle 1 plus angle B twice of angle 2 is equals to 180 degree, because OA is the angle bisector. Complete angle A is equals to twice of angle 1. So 2 can be taken out. Left is angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degree, and which give us angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 180 upon 2. 180 upon 2. That is equals to 90 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2, angle 1 plus angle 2, we are having their sum equals to 90 degree. Equation number 1. Now in triangle AOB, angle AOB plus angle OAB plus angle OBA should equals to 180 degree. Why we are equating to 180 degree sum of these three angles? Because angle sum property of a triangle. Now angle AOB, we have to find angle AOB, so it is written as it is. Angle OAB, it is angle 1. Angle OBA, it is angle 2, equals to 180 degree. So from equation number 1, we can put the value of angle 1 plus angle 2. So AOB, angle AOB plus 90 degree is equals to 180 degree, and which give us angle AOB is equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree is equals to 90 degree. So angle AOB is equals to 90 degree. Hence proved. Next example. Example number 2. The diagonal of a parallelogram, the diagonal of a parallelogram. The name of the parallelogram is given in the question. We are so lucky. ABCD. intersect at O, intersect at O, a line through O, AB at X and BC at Y. Prove that, but we have to prove that OX is equals to OY. Now solution. The given thing is written in the question, so we can start with proof only. First of all, let us draw the diagram. We are given parallelogram A, B, C and D. Diagonal AC and BD intersected point O. This one is O. Now a line to O. A general line, not a specific that should be passed through the midpoint of CD or midpoint of AB. A general line. You can do anything. It is intersecting AB at X and CD at Y. We need to prove that OX is equals to OY. So we know very well जब भी हमें कोई OX और OY मतलब टू साइड्स हमें इक्वल प्रूव करनी है तो देख लीजिए कौन कौन से ट्रायंगल में we can take triangle AXO and CYO. You can start proof in triangle AOX and triangle COY we have. Now what we have? We have OA equals to OC. Why they are equal? Diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other. This is the property of diagonals of the parallelogram. Now the remaining thing is now two sides are left, AX and OX. OX you have to prove. So if we can write AX equals to CY, so then we will write, but we cannot write AX equals to CY. So go with the angles. This angle OAX is equals to this angle YCO. So angle OAX is equals to angle OCY. Why they are equal? Because in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal, and if sides are equal, they are alternate angles. Alternate angles. One more thing is remaining. So we can write this one. These two angles are vertically opposite. Angle AOX is equals to angle COY, and they are vertically. Now, by which criteria the triangles are formed? This implies triangle AOX is congruent to triangle COY. The reason is why ASA congruency. Once we get triangle congruent, we can write by CPCT OX is equals to OY. And reason is by CPCT, and hence true. One more example we can take. Let us take a very simple example. Simple example. Example number 3. In a parallelogram ABCD, in a parallelogram ABCD, bisector of angle A, bisector of angle A also bisect BC, side of the parallelogram BC at point X. Prove that AD is equals to 2 times of AB. AD is equals to 2 times of AB. We can start from, before starting we should draw the diagram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Now bisector of angle A. This one is bisector of angle A, means these two angles are equal. We need to prove to also bisect the BC at point X. It is given, bisector of angle A also bisector means these two CX and BX are equal. Now we have to prove that AD is equal to twice of AB. So let us think, how can we prove this? How can we prove this? That AD is twice of AB. Let us start thinking in the right direction. Proof. Let this angle be 1 and this angle be 1 because angle bisector. Now angle DAX is equals to angle XAB. We are assuming equals to angle 1. Can you see angle DAX should equals to angle AXB? Reason? This angle DAX should equals to AXB. Reason? Reason is alternate angles from 1 and 2. We can write from 1 and 2. We can write angle XAB is equals to angle AXB, and it gives us AB is equals to BX. It gives us AB is equals to BX. Why they are equal? Because side opposite to equal angles are equal. Now we need to prove AD. We can write AD in terms of BC. We can write BC in terms of BX plus XC, and this BX plus XC can be written twice of BX, and twice of BX can be written twice of AB. This AB is equals to BX. So hence prove. First we write this implies AD equals to twice of AB, and then hence prove. In next lecture we will discuss the midpoint theorem and converse of midpoint theorem. Okay, thank you.